In this video, I want to show you how to download specific bands of Landsat image. So in a situation where you want to download specific bands, instead of downloading the whole dataset, how do you do it? And I must point it out here that this usually depends on the type of analysis you want to carry out. If you want to run an analysis that requires specific band, there is no need to download the whole satellite image. So you can just specifically download the bands you need. So to do that, let's get started. Open your browser and let's open a new tab. Then here, search artexplorer.usgs.gov. When it opens, make sure you are logging into your account. So the first thing to do is to come to this search criteria. Then come to the select geocoding method, and for example, let me use address and place to search for my study area. Here I will type my address. Let me say Asaba for example. Then click on show. This will display your study area, in this case Asaba Delta State in Nigeria, and you can see the lat and long. Click on it and it will take you to that very study area you have specified. So here is it. Now to download the Landsat data, come to date range and specify your date range. For example, I want to select January 1st, 2002. So I want it from January 1st, 2002 to December 31st, 2002. Yes, after you have specified your date range, just like this, then come to cloud cover. Let me reduce the cloud cover to, let's say, 10% cloud cover range. Then come to datasets. Here, come to Landsat. Click to expand it. Then scroll down. Let me come to Landsat Collection 2, Level 2. Then I'm selecting Landsat 7 ETM+. Then click on Results. This will search the available Landsat image for the dates specified, and here you can see only 2 images are available. So you can see the 2 available ones. Now click on the footprint to make sure it covers your study area. In my case, it covers my study area. To download it, click on this download button. It will load the download options. When it loads, click on product options. This will bring all the available bands in the image. Since we are downloading specific bands, and for example, let me say I'm working on NDVI. For Landsat 7, the bands I need are band 4 and band 3. So in that case, I'll download only these 2 bands. So let's go back to that page. So I'm downloading for band 3. So I'll click on this download option. Yes, the download has started. Then I'll download for band 4 as well by clicking on this download button. The download has started as well. So now let's assume I want to download another year using another Landsat. Let me close these pages. So I will go back to my search criteria. Go back to search criteria and then select a new date range and also a new Landsat. So let's assume now that I'm selecting January 1st, 2025 to December 31st, 2025 for instance. So let me give that range to December 31st, 2025. So after selecting the date range, I will click on datasets. This time around, I want Landsat 8 to 9. So I will check Landsat 8 to 9. Then I will scroll down and click on results. So These are the results available for the date range specified. Then I will also click on the footprint to make sure it covers my study area. Yes, it does. Then I will click on the download button. It will load the download options. Then I'll click on product option. You can see the available bands. Now, if I go back to that page, I am downloading Landsat 8, and for NDVI in Landsat 8, I'll download band 4 and band 5. So let's go back there. So I'll download band 4 and band 5. Band 4 and band 5. I'll download band 4 and band 5. So the download is ongoing. So you can see that I specifically downloaded the specific band that I need for my analysis. So in essence, this is how to download specific bands of Landsat images for your analysis. Thank you for watching.